Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Paul's YouTube channel. And today we're flashing back to July 25th, 1989, AYA flying in Cabe, Wisconsin. So sit down and enjoy the festivities from this blast from the past. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Well, this is the front part of the ramp here at AYA 89, Telemark Lodge, Cabe, Wisconsin. Airplanes start turning down the corner down here and go clear down to the other end of the runway and start coming back again. Quite a collection. This is Tuesday morning, and several people, I guess, are still trying to get in from the East Coast. Tent there where they have some refreshments and everything set up. Garbird.
Oh,
Just tooling back and forth.
They wouldn't let us even take this one, hardly.
Bring the other two back. Hey, why didn't you just rent them for the 3 days? You know what? I think we smoother on the runway.
Well,
Right there,
it
do
might,
that?
it might
Yeah.
get upset. Nobody's out. I thought that thing started already.
They won't hit us.
The electric start and everything. Yeah, the electric start button underneath the pedal. I had a hard time finding it.
That's retractable, honey. And that looks like it just didn't swallow.
That is a Mooney. That's not a
Oh,
Grumman.
that's a movie. Oh.
We should have told her that was a modification by Blackman.
Can't convert a Yankee into a Mooney. I like the picture.
This one?
That's a small one, isn't it? Two-seater.
I like your paint.
Oh, you know who those people are? That's the people that have that motorbike that we saw over at Madeline Island. Remember they had that beige.
Oh, okay. That's right. They had a two-seater.
Now, is this one of ours, Ruth? That color combination one. Oh, see here? That's one.
We're going to get bumpy here.
A flower bomb, I think.
Oh, are they?
I hope he's not trying to land.
That's a cute one. I've seen that one before. That one's from California.
Yeah, they got the car out there as a target. That thing's totally safe.
There isn't really a car out there. Sorry.
They put a car out there for a target.
Where
I told him
is
last night they ought
The
to
other
put
end of the runway.
it?
put a bucket on top of the car. Anybody put it in the bucket and got the car.
Geez, look, we're going around the corner again.
This is where the spot landing.
Well, I hope we don't do any others in this spot.
Yeah, but we got to have to open the doors and there's no light in here. It's got two little, 61 volt.
Is it wide enough for that?
Yep.
get the light on the.
Well, 2,400 pounds, that's all right. What's that? That'll
Hit the line, hit one of those lights out there.
No, that's gas pump, solid number 2.
So, what are you looking at? All these new white lights? What else? You cracked all of them. You don't want to see those wheel covers to get home with.
We're gonna take those apart. Got a whole new set of lines that are coming.
Oh, yeah, very much, very much. I think I get some of that stuff out. No.
Oh, yeah.
This will be next year's seminar.
Actually, what you should do is get those landing gear lights and bring them into the thing once you got them on.
Yep.
Picking that up?
No.
I don't think so. The guy next door already down.
At least we all get under there like it were, huh?
Okay, I got the center one out here in 8 job. And I did, luckily I done a really good short field soft landing and the nose came down. It's, geez, these brakes are working good now. Now I'm actually up running, it wouldn't budge. But it didn't do any damage. Got up the nose middle of the barrel.
So when I started to take off.
No, I'll be off this end. Going down.
Well,
It's peed out.
Usually this is good or bad.
Give 2 chances for something to come off.
Well, what's
It's something to keep an eye on.
Oh, I see.
we've got a couple of type of lines. This is the one that will be on.
It's probably the better one.
And 363 dash 1032. Well, to the quarter.
Where do you teach from?
Glendale Community College. No fair.
Hey, wait a minute.
Man with a roving camera. This is going on TV show.
This is next year's seminar.
History video.
Lee, we're getting things started. We've got things from. We bypass the someone, we're all here up and running. Otherwise, you can't never bring a mask on. It's always like that. Watch it not from right on the wheel. That brake was dripping. I got all that well.
What year model Tiger is this?
78.
Oh, I do have product fees for the mains. Stainless steel one, too. Start carrying those things.
I've never had any problems with this. Somebody was asking about that about the stainless steel.
You change them every year.
Yeah, I mean, you pull it apart. If you do it right. So I was talking to somebody who was like, Kenny? And he told me about,
Yeah! That's my dad! Yeah? Where is he? Ooh. That's my dad! Where's your dad? Your dad? He's right here. Oh. Come on. Where's that? Right here.
Dad. Daddy, go get him. Come on. Come get him. Come get him. Get on the plane. Bless you. Bless you.
And here comes the AI up to inspect it.
Ready? Oh, you don't want to mess with the props, Grant. Keep mine. That's big.
Hey, Jim,
That's a big one.
smile.
Smile now, huh?
Right.
Sure. Got the check now. You smile. Come on, Red.
Well, I tell you, 2 days ago, I don't think Jim would have given too much hope for this moment.
That's true.
Here's the supporting crew.
Hard to believe that airplane was so badly damaged and fixed in such a short time, so we hope you found this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.